amazing trees we have here in Australia. I don't need a Google or a book to tell me this. Just appreciating them and connecting to them. Yep. So, how do we connect? Beautiful trees. How about taking a rest by its shade, connecting to it, by touch, just by touching the trees. You can feel their energy, feel the temperature. This is actually very cool to my touch, this tree. Its root systems are amazing, are large. They've grown up above the ground. It has survived, and its roots are what will keep it afloat for a long, long time, which are deep and extended beyond our sight. Yeah, so the wonderful trees create a habitat for us, give us the oxygen we require through this relationship, whether you know it or not. What the tree breathes out, we breathe in. Respect the trees, connect to the trees. They are Earth's bloodline. Did you know that?